You're not sick anymore, but you still feel exhausted. No energy, heavier breathing, bad sleep, and that strange feeling like your body never fully bounced back. A lot of people go through this. The illness seems over, but the body still feels weak. There's a point on your wrist that may help support recovery. In Eastern medicine, it is called Tai Yuan or Great Abyss. It is located on the wrist, right at the base of the palm, closer to the thumb in the same area where you usually feel your pulse. And this is important. This point is found on both hands, so work on both sides. Use the thumb of your other hand and press into that spot gently. Not painful, but noticeable. Massage it 40 times clockwise and 40 times counterclockwise. Then switch hands and do the same thing again. This point is often used for weakness after illness, shortness of breath, dry throat, restlessness, and trouble sleeping. And the most interesting part, you may feel the effect even while massaging it. Try it with me right now and then tell me which hand felt stronger. Follow for more simple techniques that actually help.